Hi. If you are someone who keep procrastinating on things that genuinely matters to you, I want to ask you something. Have you ever noticed that you don't procrastinating on everything? You take care of your daily tasks, all your house chores, helping others, meeting deadlines, managing all your routine tasks. But the moment it comes something deeply meaningful to you, something very important to you, like starting your business, speaking up for yourself, creating your content, making an important decision, healing a relationship, or simply prioritizing yourself, you begin to delay. You keep overthinking, doubting yourself, postponing taking action. And even when somehow you begin, you lose momentum halfway through. Most people call this is a discipline problem, but I don't. In my experience, procrastination is often an intelligent survival mechanism of your subconscious mind. Your subconscious is not asking, will this make me successful? It is asking, will this make me emotionally safe? And anything unfamiliar, uncertain, or carrying the possibility of criticism, rejection, failure, disappointment, or begin seen differently by others can feel threatening of your deeper mind, your subconscious mind. And when something feels emotionally unsafe, your subconscious create resistance. This we call subconscious blockage. And that resistance doesn't always appear as fear. Sometimes it's shown as a procrastination, overthinking, waiting for perfect moment to start your task, exhausting, stress, burnout, even after doing nothing, and needing more information, being skeptical about yourself every time, starting and quitting, constantly preparing but never fully committing. Over the time, we begin calling ourselves lazy, inconsistent, undisciplined. But often beneath these patterns lies an unexamined or unseen fear. Fear of meeting a part of ourselves which you have trying to avoid since years, a very long years. Our vulnerable side, our rejected, criticized, inadequate, or failed self. And we don't want to acknowledge this vulnerable part of us. And until those hidden emotional boundaries are untouched, we keep trying to fix habit, but the real issue remain untouched. And this is the work I do through inner architecture reprogramming. I help people to understand not just what they do, but why they keep doing it. And how your subconscious resistances silently shape your emotion, your reaction, your relationship, and your life pattern. If this resonates with you, I invite you to join webinar of 14 days pattern breaking challenge and explore a one-on-one, or you can explore one-on-one session if you are looking for some deeper guidance. There is a comment section below where you can just write one of your pattern which you have been suffering, one of your pain point which you have been suffering for long, and you want to work on it. Selected submission receive a personalized inner architecture review from me. So perhaps what you have been suffering, what you have been calling a lack of discipline is actually a part of you which just has been asking you to be understood. They just want you to be seen by you.